Good morning everyone. Welcome to Current Affairs Kaksha. Today we will be discussing the PIB news of 28th May 2021. Okay, so let's start today's session. First question is, who launched NDHM, National Digital Health Mission, on 15th August 2020? The options are Dr. Harshvardhan, Minister of Health and Family Welfare, PM Shri Narendra Modi, Home Minister Shri Amit Shah, and last one Shri Kiran Rijiju. The answer is PM Shri Narendra Modi. PM Modi chairs the high-level meeting to review progress of National Digital Health Mission. What are the objectives? Okay. First one, officials proposed that soon UHI Unified Health Interface will be rolled out. Second, this interface shall enable public private solutions apps to plug in and be a part of NDHM ecosystem. Third one, interface will allow them public to search books and avail necessary health services such as teleconsultations and laboratory tests. Third, this will revolutionize healthcare system. NDHM is National Digital Health Mission. It was launched on 15th August 2020 by PM Shri Narendra Modi. Let's see the statistics. 119 lakh health IDs have been created under NDHM. 3,106 doctors and 1,490 facilities have registered on the platform. Okay. The next question is, who organized the second virtual trade fair on horticulture product? Options are NABARD, FCI, APEDA and none. Answer is APEDA. Okay. This trade fair was organized to boost export potentials of India's agricultural and processed food products during the COVID-19 pandemic. The second virtual trade fair for horticulture produce was organized by APEDA. The statistics are the VTF, which is Virtual Trade Fair, will start on 27th of May and will end on 29th of May 2021. 471 exhibitors or exporters have displayed their products. Indian unique fruits, vegetables and floriculture products. 543 number of visitors or importers have been participating in the virtual trade fair. Okay. APEDA is Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority. It was founded on 13th of February 1986 and is headquartered in Delhi. The chairman of APEDA is Dr. M. Angumuttu. Okay, and the parent organization is Ministry of Commerce and Industry under Government of India. Next question is, INS Shardul arrived at Kochi with liquid oxygen as a part of. Options are Operation Samudra Setu 2, Operation Begin Again, Operation Har Ghar Sahayata and none of these. The answer is INS Shardul arrives at Kochi under Operation Samudra Setu. It is to support national fight against COVID-19. Navy launched this operation. Okay. 7 Indian Navy ships, that is Kolkata, Kochi, Talwar, Trikand, Jalshava, Airawat have been deployed for shipment of liquid medical oxygen, filled cryogenic containers and associated medical equipments from various countries. Next question is, who virtually participated in a meeting with ministers of health of a non-aligned movement countries? Options are PM Shri Narendra Modi, Shri Sadanand Gowda, Dr. Harshvardhan and none of these. Answer is Dr. Harshvardhan. Dr. Harshvardhan is Minister of Health and Family Welfare, has participated in the meeting discussing COVID-19 hurdles and overcomes. Non-aligned movement is a forum of 120 developing world states that are not formally aligned with or against any major power. Second is, after United Nations, it is the largest grouping of states worldwide. It was established on 1st September 1961 and is headquartered in central Jakarta, Indonesia. Statistics. Okay, at present the non-aligned movement has 120 members states, 17 observer countries and 10 observing organizations. Next question, who received the any international award for research in energy frontiers? Options are Bharat Ratna, CNR Rao, Ravish Kumar, Mehboob Khan and Satyajit Ray. Answer is CNR Rao. Bharat Ratna CNR Rao received this award for his research into renewable energy sources and energy storage. This award is considered to be Nobel Prize in Energy Research. Next question is, what was the subject of 4th BRICS Working Group meeting? Options are emerging issues in biotechnology and biomedicine, COVID-19, both A and B and none of these. The answer is emerging issues in biotechnology and biomedicine. The members of Working Group on Biotechnology and Biomedicine suggested the future directions of research collaboration among BRICS countries in the area of antimicrobial resistance, artificial intelligence and digital health medicine, non-communicable diseases, neurological disorders, agrobiotechnology, food and nutrition. The meeting was organized by Department of International Cooperation, Ministry of Science and Technology. Okay, BRICS. The acronym is for Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. It was founded in June 2006. The founder is China, Brazil, and Russia, and the subsidiary of BRICS is New Development Bank. How many judges elevated to become judges of Bombay High Court? Options are 23, 10, 15 and none of these. Answer is 10 additional judges. The President of India, in exercise of power conferred by Clause 1 of Article 217 of the Constitution of India, appointed 10 additional judges to become judges of Bombay High Court. Okay. Next question is, who headed the Journalist Welfare Scheme Committee? The options are Shri Prakash Javadekar, Shri Amit Khare, Dr. Sindhu Thapar and none of these. Answer is Shri Amit Khare. Government of India has approved a proposal of Journalist Welfare Scheme Committee headed by Amit Khare, Secretary, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, to provide financial relief to Rs 5 lakh to each of the families of 26 journalists who died due to COVID-19. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day.